Hey Rebels, back with another video, duh. Before we start off with our hairstyle today, I just want to mention I twisted my hair the night before to give it that loose wave look. I also sprayed my hair with some rose water to get me started. Okay, so today we'll just be doing a simple half up, half down hairstyle. You'll see that I'm trying to find a part that looks right on my head. Am I the only one who feels torn when you see a cute bun, but that's not the intended style? That was that moment. I made my ponytail kind of small, but you can make yours as thick as you like. Love this stuff. And the girl is done. Thank you so much for watching. You the bomb.com. But until next time, peace.